This is very nice question. Let's solve this. The electrons identified by the quantum numbers n and l given here, option A, B, C and D. The thing is that this question is write the increasing energy. The right options or write orbitals in increasing energies. Okay, so here option A represents what? N is equal to 4 and L is equal to 1, means it is 4p orbital, right? Option B represents 4s orbital, right? N is equal to 4, L is equal to 0, means it is s orbital. Option C represents 3d orbital, because L is equal to 2, sp.d, right? Azimuthal quantum number for the d orbital is 2 and last is 3p orbital, right? Increasing energies, so which will have the higher energy. Like if you take a sum of this, that is 4 plus 1, this is 5, this is 4 plus 1, which is 4, this is 3 plus 2, which is 5, and this is 3 plus 1, which is 4. Over here there are some which we are getting is for the 2 orbital I am getting the same, 5 and 5. So among this 4p and 3d, which will have the higher energy? When sum is same for both the orbitals, then we have to choose the one which is having the higher principal quantum number, right? But the question asked is increasing, means least energy. We have to look for the least energy. So least energy is between this and this. So among 4s and 3p, which will have a least energy, we have to again look for the 3p orbital. 3p is the one which is having the least energy. So 3p, then it will be 4s, because the sum is 4. Then among this, it is a 3d, it is 3d, and maximum is 4p. So this is the correct order of the energies. So here the question is which of the following set of quantum number do not make sense? Let's understand this. Question asks, option A is given n is equal to 2. Okay, when n is equal to 2, what are the possible values of L? Possible values of L are 0 and 1, right? So when n is equal to 2, so L value of the 0 is possible. So what will be possible values of ml? What will be a possible values of ml for L is equal to 0? So 0 is possible, right? For L is equal to 1, ml will be what? -1, 0, +1. It is possible. So first is possible, okay, which do not make sense. Okay, so this first option makes sense. Next is n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, right? Means when n is equal to 2, what are the possible values of L? 0 and 1. So L is equal to L is equal to 1, that is possible. Means here we are talking of 2s orbital, here we are talking of the 2p orbital, 2 and p orbital, right? So here what will be a possible values of ml? ml, is it that ml will be possible to be -2? For the ml to be -2, L should be at least 2, which is not there, right? Maximum value what we can have, or minimum value or the maximum value, this is 1, -1, 0 and +1. ml cannot be -2 for this, right? So this is the option which is not making any sense, right? ml cannot be -2 when L is equal to 1, right? Next is n is equal to 4, L is equal to 2 and ml is -3. Does this make sense? We are talking of 4d orbital, right? 4d orbital. So when L is equal to, see, ml is something which is dependent on L, right? We'll do it directly. So now you must have understood. So n is equal to 4, so L is equal to 2 is possible. But when L is equal to 2, what is ml is equal to? -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2, right? So that's why this is not possible. Here there is no minus 3, right? What about this? N is equal to 2, L is equal to 2, ML is equal to minus 2. See, the principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number both cannot have same value. Remember this. So it is like you are saying 2D orbital. You just go through the Hofbauer principle and see whether there is a 2D orbital existing. There is no 2D orbital which is existing. Like the way there is no 1p orbital exists, same way there is nothing like 2D orbital exists. So this is also incorrect. So n is equal to 4, n is equal to L is equal to 3. This also exists, and ML is equal to minus 1 they are saying. Let me check. So for L is equal to 3, ML will be equal to what? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and a plus 3. It is existing, right? So this is there, and this spin can be plus half, minus half, right? So this makes sense. What about last one? This is 3 d orbital and L is 0. ML is 0. So when L is equal to 2, what is the ML value? ML is minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. 0 exists. And this is MS is equal to minus 1. So these are the three set of the quantum number which do not make sense. So the question is, in which of the following pairs of orbital electron density is present along the axis? Let's understand all this: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square, y square, dz square orbital, how they look. So when we say dxy orbital, it is d orbital, it is having a 4 lobes. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this is dxy orbital. Means it is in between the axis and it is on a xy plane, right? It is on a xy plane. So dxy, this is dxy. dyz will be what? This is y-axis, this is z-axis. So this is dyz. It is also in between the axis and not along the axis, and it is in a yz plane. And same way there is d z-axis and x-axis. So this is dzx, right? This is dzx. It is on a xz plane, right? And it is in between the axis. So what is dx square y square? Dx square y square. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So it is this way. The difference between this orbital and these three orbital is that it is along the axis, right? This orbital electron density is along the axis. This is actually the bonding. This is how along the axis the bonding takes place. So this is dx square y square. This is dx square y square, and dz square is this. If this is your z axis, okay, this is your z axis, and this is a small donut which will be present over here. Right, so this is your d, this is z axis, this is x axis, so this is d z square orbital. So in which case it is along the axis. So it is, these are the two orbital, x square y square and a z square, dz square I mean. So option B is correct, dx square y square and a dz square, where the electron density is along the axis. Here this is not the correct, x y y z. Here also this is also not correct. Here one of the option is correct, that is one of the dz square is correct, but we want a pair where both the orientation of the orbital should have the electron density along the axis. So answer is option B. So here the question is, for which of the following electron distribution in a ground state Hund's rule is violated? So Hund's rule is about pairing, right? So what it says is that unless and until the ground state is singly filled, the pairing won't take place, right? So first option A, let's check first option A. Let me see, there is a Hofbauer's principle. Hofbauer's principle says that electrons are filled in the increasing energies. Then there is a Pauli's exclusion principle which says that two electrons cannot have the same set of all the quantum numbers, right? And the Hunt rule of maximum multiplicity says that the pairing will only takes place when the lower energy is like ground state is filled, right? So here in option A, all the three laws of Bose principle, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity and Pauli's exclusion principle is satisfied. Here also same, both, everything is satisfied. But here if you see, the electron which was supposed to pair up over here is going directly to a next orbital, right? Next orbital. So since there are just 4 electrons, this electron should have paired over here, but it is not pairing, so it is going over here. So this is something which is against Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. So answer is option B. Okay, answer is option B. But what about this? Here, if you see, the pairing take place, which law is violated? Over here, both electrons have same spin. Means, since both the electrons are having a same spin, Aufbau's principle is not violated. Aufbau's principle, 2 electrons are going. How the electrons will be putting in which spin, that is not the Aufbau's principle's law. Right? Here, Pauli's exclusion principle, that is saying that no 2 electron can have a same set of quantum number. But if you consider this and this electron, both will have a same values of the quantum number. Both the sets will be same. So that's why here a Pauli's exclusion principle is violated. Now what about this? I have shown this electron downward. Means which law is violated? Here none of the rule is violated. See, the thing is, you have to put one electron. You put it this way, doesn't matter. But make sure when you put a next electron, it should be opposite spin. It should be opposite, and here it should be opposite. So this is not a wrong representation. This is also correct. It is as good as writing this. It is as good as writing this. Okay, understand? It is one and same. So here answer is option B.